Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the element symbol or its atomic number. That gives you a fixed spot to find. Once you have that, open a periodic table that labels groups 1 through 18 and shows block divisions. Make sure to note whether the element sits in the S, P, D, or F block because that affects counting rules. Begin by visually aligning the elements column with the top group headings so you know which vertical column you will follow down. Once done locating the elements column, read the group number printed at the top of that column. That is usually the group. For main group elements in the S and P blocks, the group number directly matches the column number from 1 to 18, so you can state it immediately. For transition metals in the D block and lanthanides/actinides in the F block, count columns with care and reference the adjacent labeled columns. This gives you the correct group assignment for chemical behavior and valence reasoning. To finish, verify the group by comparing expected valence electrons or typical oxidation states. This confirms the number you read. If you're uncertain, write the element's electron configuration and deduce the group from the outer electrons. This clarifies ambiguity for transition elements. If the periodic table you used shows different numbering schemes, make sure to cross-check a second standard table and reconcile differences. If results still confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.